Hey guys, I'm excited to introduce our newest feature in Render called Field Notes. Now, Render is currently being utilized by hundreds of contractors across the US and Canada to quickly scan, create floor plans, of existing spaces, especially in residential construction. It streamlines your workflows into CAD and estimation, and even digitizes the whole documentation process. Now, that process, we usually take note of critical dimensions, anything that might impact the renovation, particularly in kitchens and bathrooms. Now, that documentation process previously relied on our PDF export, so that's why we developed Field Notes. This powerful tool enables contractors and designers to rapidly create documentation and allows you to save these notes directly within the space until you or your team are ready to work on the project back at the office. It's awesome. So let's take a look. So after scanning your space, you guys are familiar with this screen. You can navigate your interactive floor plan, view elevations here, and you can even access room data right on the spot. Now, you can select the Notes tab right here to create your field notes and save them directly in the space. By doing so, you'll have an editable document that allows you to add text, draw on the space, and you can save this and edit this, export it at any time. We're collaborating with our integration partners to enable the field notes to seamlessly appear in your projects outside of Render and in the software you use for design and estimation. So this is going to make sure that you or your team can reference these field notes when preparing proposals. This is a fantastic way to digitize the part of the remodeling process that has remained very reliant on pencil and graph paper for far too long. Now, not only can you scan your space and expedite the whole creating the as-built inside of your CAD software and generating estimates, but you now have the power to take critical notes on site and access them wherever and whenever you need them. Whether it's notes about critical dimensions or registers, bulkheads, things like that that your team needs to be aware of when putting together the proposal, you can document them right here and share them with the team at any time. Hope you guys enjoy this latest update.